Let's briefly review the three forms of the line that we've learned up to this point. We began with point-slope form, which was y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then we looked at slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And we finished with general form, which is ax plus by equals c. In this video, we're going to look at two special cases of lines that appear a little bit differently in equation form. We're going to consider horizontal lines and vertical lines. So there's a couple of representative samples. Horizontal lines have a slope of 0, as we've discovered before. Now, if you think about all of the points along a horizontal line, they all have the same elevation or the same y value. The equation is therefore y equal to a constant. So again, it looks a little different than our two variable forms for the equation of the line. It's distinct in that it only has the variable y. If you see y equal to a constant, then the line is automatically going to be horizontal. Similarly, vertical lines, as we've seen before, have undefined slope. Notice that all of the points along a vertical line, although they have different y values, they all have the same x value. The equation is therefore x equal to a constant. So the equations for both vertical and horizontal lines are easily recognizable because they only have one variable. It'll really be important that you memorize the difference between the two. That is, horizontal lines have the form y equal to c, and vertical lines have the form x equal to a constant. Let's take a look at example 9. Write the equation of the line that has the given properties and then sketch the graph of each line. So as we sketch each line, I'm going to put all of them on a single grid. So I'm going to draw my x and y axes over here to prepare. So on part A, we want to write the equation of the line that passes through the points 7, -1, and 7, 3. Now, if you look at those 2 points, the first thing that probably catches your attention is that they have the same x value. Remember, if they have the same x value, the line must be vertical. And the form for the equation of a vertical line is x equal to a number. Well, you can probably guess that specific number is going to be 7, because those are the x values that I see in each ordered pair. So let's plot this on our graph. So I'm going to come out to x equals 7. And we'll construct a vertical line through x equals 7. And let's go ahead and label it with its equation, x equals 7. So it takes a lot less effort to graph a vertical line than one in point slope form or general form, so on and so forth. Example B, the line passes through 5, -2 and -1, -2. The thing that catches your attention easily in this pair of ordered pairs is that they share the same y value. If they have the same y value, then the line is going to be horizontal. The form for the equation of a horizontal line is y equal to some constant. And that constant is going to be whatever repeating number I see there in the y coordinate position. So the equation of this line is y equals -2. To graph the line, we're going to locate y equals -2 and then construct a horizontal line, same elevation all the way across, a little wiggly there, y equals -2. On the next example, it says the line is horizontal and passes through ordered pair 3, -4. Now, if the line is horizontal, we know the form of the line is y equal to a constant. So we're interested in the y value of this ordered pair. So the equation of this line would be y equal to -4. So on our graph, we'll locate y equals -4 and construct a horizontal line straight edge would help here, y equals -4. And for our last example, we're going to be working with a vertical line that passes through ordered pair 6, 11. If the line is vertical, then the form of the line is x equal to a number. So we're interested in just the x coordinate of this ordered pair. So the equation of this line is x equal to 6. So we can come over to our graph. We already have x equals 6 identified here, and we construct a vertical line, x equal to 6. Now this is pretty simple, but don't transpose the equations. Make sure you know horizontal lines have the form y equal to a number, and vertical lines have the form x equal to a number.